You're welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, we're going to be looking at addition and subtraction of fractions with different denominator. Addition and subtraction of fractions with different denominator. You can remember in our previous lesson, we learned about addition of fractions with the same denominator, whereby we add the numerator and leave the denominator the same, like this. 2 over 6 plus 3 over 6. In our previous class, we said that what you do is to add the numerator, 2 plus 3, which will give you 5 over 6. You leave the denominator the same. That's what we discussed. Also, if you have to subtract fractions with the same denominator, like 3 over 6 minus 1 over 6, what we learned is that what you do is subtract the numerator, leave the denominator the same. 3 minus 1, all over 6, which will give us what? 2 over 6. That's a refresher of what we did in our previous lesson. So today, we're moving forward to what we have to do, which is addition of fractions with different denominators. When the denominators are different, what do? So stay tuned. We're going to see an easy way of subtracting and adding fractions with different denominators. Come on, let's go to the board and write this and solve this question. 2 over 5 plus 1 over 3. 2 over 5 plus 1 over 3. You can see that the denominator 5 and 2, 5 and 3, they are different. So they cannot agree, you cannot work with them when they are not with the same denominator. So the first thing you do is to find a common denominator. What did I say? Good. Find a common denominator. What I mean by that is that you will make this 2 over 5 so become something. The denominators have to be the same before you start working. Now when I look at the 5 and 3, for me to find their common denominator, what I need to do is to find their LCM. Their LCM. LCM means lowest common multiple. LCM means what? Lowest common multiple. You might have come across LCM. So we use it to do this. When you look at multiple of 5, you have 5, 10, 15. Multiple of 3, you have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So 5 and 3 have 15 as a common multiple. 5 and 3 has what? 15 as a common multiple. So they agree with this number 15. Or you can just simply say 5 times 3, but it doesn't work like that in all cases. 5 times 3 is 15. So the common denominator for 5 and 3 becomes 15. It becomes what? 15. So I have this. For this one, I reduce it to, the denominator is now 15. How will I find the numerator? Since our denominator has changed to 15, the numerator will still change. It will not be this 2. I will not bring down 2. What I will do is, I will divide this by this. I will divide this denominator by this denominator. I will say 15 divided by 5. 15 divided by 5. When I divide 15 by 5, what I will have is 3. 15 divided by 5 will give me 3. I will now say 3 times 2. 3 times 2. That will become 6. So this fraction, 2 over 5, has become 6 over 15. I'll put them a plus. I want to convert this fraction also to the same, to have 15 as denominator, because that is their common denominator. This fraction is having 15. What will become the numerator? I divide 15 by 3. 15 divided by 3 will give me what? Good. It will give me 5. And I'll say 5 times 1. 5 times 1 is 5. You can see these two fractions, 2 over 5, this one has become 6 over 15, while 1 over 3 has become 5 over 15. Now they have a common denominator. You can just go on and add it like the way you normally add when you add fractions with the same denominator. You now say 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5 all over 15. 6 plus 5 all over 15. 6 plus 5 gives us what? 11. So our final answer becomes 11 over 15. You can see it's very, very, very simple. Whenever you want to add fractions with different denominators, the first step is to find a common denominator. convert this fraction to have that common denominator. Once they have a common denominator, add the numerator and leave the denominator the same. That is very, very simple. Okay, this is the first method we're going to use to do this. We're going to use another method which is called butterfly method. You know butterfly? Wow, I know you know it. So that method is so simple and so easy, but it doesn't work with all the fractions. But when you have two fractions, you can use that butterfly method, and it's so simple. So I want to teach you that butterfly method. 2 over 5 plus 1 over 3. If I want to use butterfly method, I do something like cross multiplication. I'll do it like this. This will go multiply this. This will multiply this. So just calm down, you understand? For me to find the numerator, what I will do with the butterfly method, I'll say 2 times 3. 2 times the numerator up, multiply the denominator down in the opposite side. And this one, that is how to find the numerator. 2 times 3, that will give me 6. And so what I have here is plus. And I'm going to say 1 times 5. 1 times 5, that will give me what? 5. So with this, I have found my numerator. And for me to get my denominator, I'll say 5 times 3. 5 times 3. 5 times 3 becomes 15. So I'll now go on and add 6 plus 5, which is 11. 11 over 15. So it's very, very simple. You use this method when you have two fractions. But the previous method works with so many other problems involving fraction. When you have some other problem involving fraction, you will need to find a common denominator. So master the two. And if you're doing subtraction, what to do? Let us use it. 3 over 4 minus 2 over 9. 3 over 4 minus 2 over 9. Remember, you can use the previous method or butterfly method, but let us use butterfly method to this one. I'll go like this. This go into this, and this go into this. So 3 times 9 is what? 27. And if you know what you have is minus. 2 times 4 is what? 8. 4 times 9 is 36. You can see. These are the denominator, these are numerator. So what I'll now do, 27 minus 8. That's there. 19. 19 over 26. Very, very simple. Very, very what? Simple. Now, see, with this method, you can solve this with ease. Are you with me? So, I'm going to give you your homework. Put the answer in the comment section. Oh, but before then, have you subscribed to my channel? If I've watched this video to this point and you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? It will not cost you any money. Just click that subscribe button. Click on it. And remember to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload video on this channel. And this channel, I'm uploading videos relevant to parents, to teachers, and to learners. You wouldn't like to miss out on any of my videos, so click the subscribe button and like my video. Give it a thumbs up. That's a great boost for me. If you have done that, thank you. Alright, do this one. 5 over 11 plus 2 over 6. Solve this. Put the answer in the comment section. Yeah. Make sure you solve it. Put the answer. If you find any part difficult, just play back the video. You will get the process back again. It is very, very simple. So solve this. Put the answer in the comment section. I'll be glad to read your comments to see you practice this and improve. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye.